Now let's see the next point, which is steps required to detect a saddle point. How to detect saddle point? So it requires some steps. So first step is, at the right of each row, write the row minimum and ring the largest of them. Next one, at the bottom of each column, write the column maximum and ring the smallest of them. So means what? For this example, we have given this example. Write down on right hand side minimum of row and maximum of column. Okay, find out its minimum and its row minimum and column maximum. Okay, next third one is, if these two elements are same, the cell where the corresponding row and column meet is a saddle point. Wait, right? If these two elements are same, so the cell where the corresponding row and column meet is called saddle point. So here maximum value and minimum value both are same. So intersection of these two will be at, so this has strategy 1, 2 and player B has strategy 1 and 2. So intersection of these two is 2, 1 position, because here after taking intersection of these two values we get this position. So 2, 1 is the position of saddle point. Okay, so here if these two elements are same, the cell where the corresponding row and column meet is a saddle point. Next one is, if the two ring elements are unequal, then there is no saddle point and the value of game lies between these two values. Right? Means what? If this minimax value and max min value are not equal, then we say that value of game will be lies between these two values. If there are more than one saddle point, then there will be more than one solution. Each solution is corresponding to each saddle point. Now let's see the example. So here this is the given example. So player A and player B. So these are the optimal strategies for player A 1, 2 and strategies for player B is 1, 2. So we have given -4, -3, 3, 4, 3, 7. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix. Among that, first write down minimum of row and maximum of column. Find out the minimum of row. So in this row, what is minimum value? Which is -4. In this row, what is minimum value? Which is -3. I have right here. Again, find out here maximum of column. So among this column, what is maximum value? Which is -3. And this column, what is maximum value? Which is 7. So among this maximum column, find out its minimum. Among this maximum value, find out its minimum. And so -3 and 7, minimum is -3. So place the circle of that. Now next, minimum of row. Now among that minimum, find out the maximum value. So -4 and -3, among that -3 is the maximum value. So make the circle for that. So here minimum of maximum value is equal to, it is called minimax value. Means what? So maximum, so from that maximum find out its minimum. So this is called minimax value, which is -3. And maximum of minimum value, so this is minimum value. So this is minimum value. Among that, maximum will be -3. Okay, so maximum value is -3. Therefore here minimax value is equal to maximum value, max min value, both are same, right? So game value is equal to -3 because max min value is equal to minimax value, and this is called as value of game, and this is called -3. But in some examples, if max min value and minimax value is not equal, then in this case, so value of game will be lies between these two values, right? So therefore in this example, here max min value is equal to minimax value. Therefore the game has saddle point at the position of intersection of these two values. Okay, so what is intersection of these two values? So intersection of these two values is 2, 1. So here is the saddle point, right? So position of this saddle point is 2, 1, because this is the intersection of -3 and -3, right? Because -3 and -3 are the minimax and maximum value, both are same. Therefore this is the intersection. and position of intersection is 2 1. Therefore 2 1 is the position of saddle point. Therefore min max value is equal to maximum value. Therefore it has saddle point at position 2 1. We have seen. Now let's see the next example. So we have given example. So player A has 1 2 3 1 2 3 has 3 strategies, and player B has 1 and 2, only 2 strategies. Among that, write down minimum of row and maximum of column. So minimum of row, so find out its minimum, which is 2. So minimum between these two is -3, minimum between these two is -5. Next, find out column maximum. So column maximum is, so among that 3 is the maximum, among that 2 is the maximum. So among these two maximum, find out minimum. So from this minimum is 2 and from this maximum value is 2. So here minimum of maximum value is equal. We have maximum value, so we have maximum value. Among that minimum is 2. Okay, so minimax value is 2. Now next, maximum of minimum value. So among that, so these are minimum values. These are minimum value. We will find out its maximum. So maximum is 2. So here minimax value is equal to maximum value. Therefore value of game is 2, because if minimax value is equal to maximum value, this is value of game, right? Because we have maximum value is equal to minimax value, and this is called value of game. If maximum value and minimax value are same, and this is value of game. Here maximum and minimax both are same, this is the value of game. So maximum value and minimax value are same, therefore the game has saddle point. And what is the intersection of value 2 and 2? So intersection of these two is 1 2 position, therefore saddle point at 1 2, right? So this is saddle point at 1 2. Now let's see one more example. We have given player A having 3 strategies and player B also having 3 strategies. Okay, so find out minimum of row. So among that, so minimum is 1. So among that minimum is -11, and among that minimum is -3. And next find out column maximum. So among that column, so find out maximum is 1, maximum is 13, and maximum is again 13. So from this maximum column, find out minimum, which is 1. So circle it. Again minimum of row, find out that from that minimum. So this is the minimum of row. So among that minimum values, we'll find out its maximum values. So here -11, -3 and 1. So maximum among that is 1. Therefore minimax, max min value is, so max min value is 1 and minimax value is again 1, right? So max min value is equal to minimax value, both are same. Therefore given problem has saddle point. And so what is the position for saddle point? So intersection of these two value is the position of saddle point. So 1 1 is the position of saddle point. Okay, now next see one more example. So this is the optimal strategy for player A having 4 strategies, and optimal strategy for player B having 5 strategies. 1 2 3 4 5. Now first find out minimum of row and maximum of column. So minimum, find out minimum. So among this row minimum value is -2, among this row minimum value is 6, among this row minimum value is 2, and last minimum value is 0. And next find out column maximum. So column maximum is, among this column maximum is, so maximum value is 16, among this column maximum is 16, among this column maximum is 6, next maximum is 14, and last maximum is 14. Okay, next find out maximum of minimum and minimum of maximum. Okay, therefore what we get here, maximum of column, which is equal to, what is maximum of column, which is 16 10 6 14 and 4. Among this maximum we will find out minimum of maximum, which is equal to, so among this maximum value find out minimum. So minimum is 6, so add a circle. So we have making a circle. So minimax value is 6. Next minimum of column, minimum of row. So what is minimum of row? Which is -2, 6 and 2. So minimum of row is this. Among that minimum we'll find out maximum. So what is maximum? So maximum or maximin value. Maximin value is equal to, so among that minimum value we'll find out maximum value, so which is 6. So we make it as circle. So maximin value will be again 6. Here what we have, minimax value is equal to maximin value. Minimax value is equal to maximin value. This is value is equal to 6 and this is called value of game V. Okay, here maximum value is equal to minimax value, therefore game has saddle point at, what is the position of this? So position of this will be, so intersection of these two is this point. Okay, so position of this is second row and third column, means what, 2 3 positions. So game has saddle point at 2 and 3 position, right? And what is value of game? And value of game is nothing but, value of game is equal to V, which is equal to, what is V? Because minimax value is equal to maximum value, which are both same, therefore this is value of game. So 6 is value of game. Okay, now let's see one more example. So this is strategies for player A and strategies for player B. So we have given payoff matrix 4 3 -3 7. Next, to find out minimum of row and maximum of column. So minimum of row is, so from this row we get minimum value is 3, and here -3 and 7, among that we get -3 as a minimum value. Okay, now next find out maximum of column. So this is the first column and second column. Among that, in first column 4 is the maximum and here is the maximum 7. Okay, now from this maximum to find out its minimum, so 4 is minimum, so make as a circle, and again, so minimum of row, so among this minimum value find out its maximum value, which is 3. So here we get, what we get, maximin value. So maximin value is 3 and minimax value is 4, right? So both values are not equal. Maximin value and minimax value both are not equal. Therefore here what we write, so here maximum of minimum value, minimum of row, which is equal to maximin, which is equal to maximin value is 3, and here minimum of maximum of column, which is equal to minimum of maximum of column. So what is maximum of column? Column is 4 7 value, maximum column having value 4 7. Among that we found out its minimum, which is minimax. So minimax value is 4. Therefore here maximin value is not equal to minimax value, therefore game has no saddle point. And here what we have, value of game lies between 3 and 4, because here minimax value is not equal to maximin value. In this case what we have, if minimax value is not equal to maximin value, then value of game called V is, what is V? So which is maximin, or lies between maximin and minimax value, Okay, so if maximin value and minimax value both are not equal, then in this case we say that value of game which is lies between, again always, maximin value and minimax value. Okay, now let's see the next example. So this is player A having strategies A1 A2 player B having strategies B1, B2, and we have given payoff matrix 2, 6, minus 2, lambda. Show that G is strictly determinable, whatever lambda may be. So determine the value of lambda. Okay. Now let's find out the value of lambda here. Now here see the solution. First write down the payoff matrix. So here payoff matrix is, so this is strategies for player B, which is B1, B2, and this is strategies for player A, which is A1 and A2. So we have payoff matrix is 2, 6, minus 2, and this is lambda, and we have given that G is strictly determinable, whatever lambda may be. Now we have to find out value of lambda here. Okay. Now here first find out minimum of row. Next find out minimum of row, and here find out maximum of column. Maximum of column. Okay. So what is minimum? So here minimum value. Minimum value is minimum of row 2, and minimum value of this is, so lambda is constant, so minimum will assume that it is minus 2. Next maximum of column. So among these two value, maximum value is 2. Among this value, so lambda taking as a constant, so maximum value is 6. Okay. Now so here, so among this maximum of column, what is minimum value? Among this maximum value, we will take minimum value is 2, and among this minimum value, we will take maximum value, which is again 2. Okay. Therefore, what we say, maximum value is equal to minimax value. Both are same. Therefore, here, what is maximum? Maximum of column we have given. Maximum column is 2, 6, and what we have, minimum of row is equal to, minimum of row is 2 minus 2. Okay. Among that, to find out minimax value, which is equal to minimum, so among that maximum find out minimum, which is 2, and maximum value. Among this minimum value, we will find out its maximum, which is 2, right? So minimax value is 2 and maximum value is 2, because maximum among that is 2 and minimum among maximum is 2. Okay. So here, therefore, maximum value is equal to minimax value, which is equal to value of game, and this is 2. Okay. Both values are equal. Therefore, this is value of game. Therefore, what we see that, therefore, given problem has saddle point. Given problem has saddle point, which is at position of intersection of these two values. So which is at 1, 1 position. Okay. Therefore, what we say? So here we get this game has saddle point. Therefore, we get value of game. Hence, G is strictly determinable, whatever lambda may be. Means what? Because for any value of lambda, it doesn't affect the value of game. Therefore, here we get value of game. Therefore, we choose any lambda, then it is always determinable. Now let's see another example. For what value of lambda the game with following payoff matrix is strictly determinable. So here we have the payoff matrix. So for player A, there are 3 strategies, A1, A2, A3, and for player B there are again 3 strategies, B1, B2, B3. We have given these are the payoff matrix of 3 by 3 order. Now to find the value of lambda. Okay. Now first prepare the table. So this is the strategies for player B and this is the strategies for player A. So this is A1, A2 and A3, B1, B2, B3. Here lambda 6, 2. Next -1 lambda, -7, -2, 4 lambda. Next find out minimum of row, and next here find out maximum of column. Okay, so minimum of row, here is value 2. So among that, what is minimum? So minimum among that will be 2. So minimum among that will be -7. Minimum among this row is -2. Next find out maximum of column. So among that, maximum value is -1. Among that, maximum value is 6. Among that, maximum value is 2. So among that, maximum of column, find out its minimum value. So minimum value is -1. So make it as a circle. And from this minimum of row, find out its maximum value. So maximum value, so 2, -7 and -2. So among that, maximum value is 2. So make it as a circle. Therefore here maximum value is equal to, so we have taken maximum of minimum, which is 2, and minimax value is equal to, so minimum of maximum value, which is -1. Therefore here maximum value is not equal to minimax value. Maximum value is not equal to minimax value. Therefore game has no saddle point. Therefore what will be its value of game? Therefore value of game will be lies between maximum value and minimax value. So minimax value is -1 and maximum value is 2. Therefore value of game lies between -1 to 2. Okay, therefore for strictly determinable value of game is, so what is value of lambda? So value of game is lies between maximum value and minimax value. Therefore value of game, that is value of game will be is, so which lies between -1 to 2. Therefore -1 less than equal to lambda less than equal to 2. Therefore here value of lambda lies between -1 to 2. Okay, so if this case arises, then value of lambda always lies between maximum value and minimax value. And if maximum value is equal to minimax value, in this case we get directly value of game, and we say that game is saddle point. Now let's see one more example. Find the ranges of values of P and Q which will re-enter entries 2 to for a saddle point for the game. So we have given player A having strategies A1, A2, A3, player B having strategies B1, B2, B3, and this is 3x3 payoff matrix. Now to find out value ranges of P and Q. So this is small q. Okay, so find out the ranges of values of P and Q such that after re-entering 2 to as a saddle point. Okay, now first write down, now find out the solution for that. So this is for player A, player B having optimal strategies B1, B2, B3, player A having strategies A1, A2, A3, so which is 2, 4, 5, 10, 7, Q, 4, P, 6. Find out minimum of row and maximum of column. So what is maximum? Which is 10. Maximum of this column, which is 7, and again maximum of this is 6. So here maximum is 6. Next we have find out its minimum of row. So in this row, find out minimum of row. So minimum of row is 2. Next minimum of row is 7, and minimum of this third row is again 4. What we have given? We have given 2 to entry is the saddle point. Means what? So 2 to entry is the saddle point. So what is intersection? So intersection value of this will be 7, 7. So 7 and 7 will be the max min and min max value. Okay. Why? Because we have given 2 to entry is the saddle point. So this value will be the, so this is the max min value and this is the minimax value, right? So in this case, so always we always getting 2 as the saddle point. In this case, we will find out the values of P and Q. So what is value of P? Now here we want value which is 7, and here we want value which is always again 7. In this case, so P will be, so maximum of column, we always find out maximum of column. So value of P is always less than equal to 7, and value of Q is always, so here in this case we have to find out minimum of row, right? So value of Q is always greater than equal to 7 times. Therefore here given game has saddle point at position 2, 2. Therefore max min value is equal to minimax value. Max min value is equal to minimax value, which is equal to always 7. In that case, we will find out values of P and Q. So therefore condition for P, so condition for P is always, which is P is always less than equal to 7, because we always find out maximum. If we take P which is greater than 7, then if I put 8, then here maximum will be 8. But so in this case min max value and maximum value will not be 7. Okay, so we'll take P which is always less than equal to 7, and condition for Q, which is, so in this case, so we find out minimum of row. So if we take value of Q which is minimum than 7, so if we put 6, then minimum row of minimum will be 6. So in that case column max min max value and max min value will not be 7. Therefore Q must be greater than equal to 7. Therefore condition on P is less than equal to 7, and condition on Q is greater than equal to 7. Okay, we will stop here. In next lecture we will see more example based on 2-person zero sum game without saddle point. Thank you.